You write some JavaScript code and just want program to take a break for some time, doing nothing. And after this break time, continue on doing whatever needs to be done. To implement such behavior, we will use special syntax async await, the basic HTML template. The body element contains only one div element with ID equal to the wrapper. Style element, universal selector, margin 0, padding 0, and box size in border box. ID selector wrapper, width 100VW, height 100VH. This div element will occupy the whole viewport. Display flex, justify content center, center items along the main axis of the flex container. Align item center, center items along the cross axis of the flex container. Background color display dark slate gray, color beige, font size 15 viewport width units, and finally script element. All JavaScript code is here. Assign one and only div element with ID equal to the wrapper elem variable. What keywords async and await do? Async keyword before a function makes a function return a promise. But not only that. In our case, we are interested in that await keyword works only inside async functions, and we need this to use the await keyword. Because the await keyword makes JavaScript wait until the promise settles and returns its results. We use these mechanics to implement needed sleep behavior. All your program must be placed inside the async function. Only from inside the async function can we use the await keyword to pause the script. In this example, this is the async function do stuff. Variable counter set to 0, while loop with the condition counter less or equal to 10. In line 37 we display the counter and increase it by 1. And now we call sleep function, passing one argument. This argument is time in milliseconds. Sleep function returns a promise. This promise resolves after ms milliseconds. Ms was sleep function parameter 100 milliseconds or 1 second. Because inside the do stuff function we use the keyword await before the sleep function. JavaScript will wait 1 second until sleep resolves. This is exactly what we need. Now let's take a look at how it works. And that's all for now.